Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI. So, if you're looking for a stylish yet functional backyard outdoor fireplace, I would highly recommend this Chiminea outdoor fireplace from Favorite Garden. So, first, I absolutely love the design. Not only does it look great on my patio, but the way this fireplace is designed, it really funnels the smoke up. So, I don't smell the smoke in my face. The rocket shaped design is also very eye catching, and because the fire is shielded by the wind, it creates an efficient hot fire. And that's the second thing I really appreciate about this outdoor fireplace is that it can get really warm. We sit a few feet away from it, and I can easily feel the heat on a cool night. Overall, the unit was very easy to put together. It came in 3 pieces, and installation was a breeze. I appreciate the wide opening. Our logs are typically 12 to 16 inches in length, which fit perfectly into the fireplace, no problem. We have no issues creating a fire. It lights quickly, and like I said, it burns really well. Cleaning out the ashes is also very simple. The fireplace also comes with a tool for stoking the fire. I'm so happy with my Chiminea outdoor fireplace from Favorite Garden. It has really added such a nice ambiance to my patio, and it just keeps me warm on those chilly nights. And that's my point of view.